If your Apple Watch is stuck on the Apple logo and refuses to start, you're not alone. In this video, we'll explain why this happens, what it means, and the exact steps you can take to fix your Apple Watch safely without damaging your data. Step 1. Wait first. Before trying any fixes, give your Apple Watch some time. If it's been on the Apple logo for less than 10 minutes, it may still be booting, especially after an update. However, if the logo has been showing for more than 30 minutes with no progress, the watch is most likely stuck and needs troubleshooting. Keep the watch on its charger during this process. Step 2. Force restart. The first and most effective fix is a force restart. This clears temporary software glitches without erasing your data. To do this, press and hold both the digital crown and the side button at the same time. Keep holding them for about 10 to 15 seconds until the Apple logo disappears and reappears. Release the buttons and wait to see if the watch boots normally. Step 3. Find My trick. If a force restart doesn't work, try using the Find My app on your iPhone. Open Find My, select your Apple Watch from the device list, and tap Play Sound. In some cases, this command can wake the watch and push it past the stuck Apple logo. This method doesn't always work, but it's safe and worth trying. Step 4. Unpair watch. If the issue continues, unpairing the Apple Watch from your iPhone is often the next best solution. Open the Watch app, tap All Watches, select your watch, and choose Unpair Apple Watch. This process automatically creates a backup and resets the watch software. After unpairing, pair the watch again and restore it from the backup during setup. Step 5. Update software. Once your Apple Watch turns on again, check for watchOS updates immediately. Outdated software or known bugs can cause startup issues. Open the Watch app, go to General, then Software Update, and install any available updates. Keeping your watch updated reduces the chance of this problem happening again.